Losing a phone at home.
Hey, you look very worried.
Yes, I cannot find my phone.
Oh no, where was it?
I had it here, maybe earlier.
Was it near the sofa?
I checked there 2 times already.
Okay, let's look around carefully.
I feel really confused right now.
Try remembering your last activity.
I watched videos before making coffee.
Did you carry it downstairs?
Maybe, but I do not remember.
Okay, check the kitchen table first.
It is not on the table.
What about your jacket pocket?
Oh, good idea. Let me check.
Anything inside the pocket?
No, only my apartment keys.
Call your phone from mine.
Yes, maybe I can hear it.
Okay, I am calling now.
Wait, I hear something strange.
Where is the sound coming from?
Oh no, inside the sofa cushions.
Your phone loves hiding there.
I was really scared before.
At least you found it now.
Yes, after searching everywhere first.
Searching for a missing phone.
Hey, are you looking for something?
Yes, my phone is missing again.
When did you last see it?
Maybe this morning, near the kitchen.
Did you check the counter already?
Yes, I checked it 2 times.
Okay, let's search room by room.
I hope it is still here.
Start with the living room first.
It is not near the television.
Think under the coffee table, too.
Only magazines and old receipts here.
What about the bedroom upstairs?
Maybe? I used it there yesterday.
Check under the bed carefully.
I really hate losing my phone.
Everybody loses things sometimes.
I found one shoe under here.
Well, that is still useful.
Yes, but not very helpful now.
Did you leave it charging somewhere?
Wait, maybe in the bathroom.
Why would it be there?
I listen to music while cleaning.
So, is it in there?
Yes, beside the bathroom sink.
Great. Problem solved very quickly.
After checking every room first.
Forgetting where you put something.
Why are you opening every drawer?
I lost my wallet again today.
Oh no, when did you use it?
This afternoon, after buying groceries.
Did you bring groceries inside?
Yes, then I made some coffee.
Maybe it is near the kitchen.
I already checked the counter twice.
Okay, retrace your steps slowly.
I always forget small things lately.
It happens when people feel tired.
I worked many hours yesterday, too.
Did you sit in the living room?
Yes, I watched television there later.
Check beside the sofa cushions carefully.
Only the remote control is here.
What did you do after coffee?
I answered emails near the window.
Maybe your wallet stayed there then.
Wait, I see something brown there.
Is that your wallet finally?
Yes, under the newspaper stack.
Your wallet likes hiding from you.
Maybe I need a bigger memory.
Or maybe fewer newspapers around here.
That sounds much more possible.
Looking for a lost mobile.
You seem very stressed right now.
Yes, I lost my mobile again.
When did you last use it?
Maybe after dinner. I am unsure.
Let's check common places first.
Okay, maybe it is near upstairs.
Look on the kitchen counter first.
No, only dirty plates are here.
What about your bedroom desk?
I checked there before coming downstairs.
Okay, check your bags carefully.
I have too many bags here.
That makes searching much more difficult.
Yes, I know that already.
Did you check your jacket pockets?
Not yet. Let me look now.
Do you feel it anywhere?
No, only some old receipts inside.
I can call your phone instead.
Yes, maybe we can hear it.
Okay, listen very carefully now.
Wait, I hear ringing upstairs.
Is it coming from your bedroom?
No, maybe from the laundry room.
Check behind the washing machine too.
Oh, wow, it is right here.
Your phone found a strange hiding place.
I really need better habits now.
A phone disappears suddenly.
You came back very quickly.
Yes, but my phone is missing.
Missing? You had it earlier.
I used it 5 minutes ago.
Where did you leave it exactly?
On the table beside my coffee.
Did you leave the room briefly?
Yes, I went to the restroom.
Maybe you carried it with you.
No, I remember leaving it here.
Check under the table first.
Nothing is under there now.
What about your coat pocket?
No, only my wallet inside.
Did somebody sit here before?
A man sat nearby earlier, maybe.
Let's not panic too quickly.
My photos are all inside there.
I can call your number now.
Okay, maybe we will hear something.
I do not hear any ringing.
Oh no, maybe the battery died.
Wait, what is beside your chair?
My scarf is covering something black.
I think your mystery is solved.
Wow, my phone was there already.
At least nobody stole it today.
Yes, only my memory disappeared briefly.
Checking the kitchen for a phone.
Are you still searching for it?
Yes, my phone disappeared again today.
Did you use it inside here?
Yes, while cooking dinner earlier tonight.
Check the kitchen counters carefully first.
I only see vegetables and bottles here.
Look beside the microwave, maybe.
No, nothing is beside it now.
Did you place it near groceries?
Maybe. I carried many bags earlier.
Search near the refrigerator, too.
Only magnets and shopping notes here.
Phones appear in strange places sometimes.
Yes, last week it was downstairs.
What about inside the kitchen cabinets?
I hope I am not that forgetful.
We should still check them anyway.
Sure, plates, cups, but no phone here.
Did you check near the toaster?
Wait, something is behind it there.
Can you reach it carefully?
Oh, wow, it slipped behind everything.
Your phone wanted warm toast tonight.
I searched almost the whole house.
At least dinner and phone survived.
Yes, that feels pretty successful today.
Trying to stay calm while searching.
Okay, breathe slowly for 1 minute.
I know, but my phone disappeared.
We can find it together calmly.
I always panic during situations like this.
Try thinking step by step instead.
Okay, I used it after lunch.
What did you do after that?
I cleaned the table and sofa.
Good. Let's check those places first.
It is not under the cushions.
That's okay. Keep searching slowly.
I feel nervous when things disappear.
Panicking makes remembering much more difficult.
Yes, that is probably true.
Check your backpack near the door.
Okay, maybe I placed it there.
Do you see anything inside?
Only books and my water bottle.
What about the kitchen counter upstairs?
I made tea there earlier tonight.
Great. That helps us remember better.
Wait, I hear something vibrating softly.
Where is the sound coming from?
inside the cabinet beside the cups.
That is a very strange place.
At least I stayed calmer today.
Yes, and we solved it together.
Finding a lost item in the house.
You look like you're searching again.
Yes, I lost my house keys.
When did you last see them?
I came home from work earlier.
Start from the entrance area first.
They are not near the door.
Okay, we go step by step.
I am trying to stay calm.
Good. Think about your last action.
I put groceries on the counter.
Did you check the kitchen counter?
Yes, only bags and fruits there.
Look in unusual places too.
Like inside the fridge, maybe?
People do that sometimes.
No, only milk and juice inside.
Any jacket or coat you wore?
Yes, I wore my blue jacket.
Check all pockets carefully.
Nothing here, just receipts.
What did you do after groceries?
I sat on the sofa for a bit.
That is an important clue.
Let me check the sofa cushions.
Take your time, look carefully.
Wait, something hard under here.
Can you pull it out?
Yes, it's my house keys.
Hidden like a secret treasure.
I really need better habits.
Or just slower hands sometimes.
Asking a friend for help finding something.
Hey, you sound worried today.
Yes, I lost my laptop charger.
When did you last use it?
Last night before going to sleep.
Okay, tell me the situation.
I was working on my laptop.
Then what did you do?
I moved from desk to bed.
Did you pack your things after that?
I think I left everything quickly.
We will search together. Don't worry.
Thanks. I feel less stressed now.
Start by checking your desk first.
Only books and papers are here.
Look near the bed area too.
I see headphones and clothes only.
Did you plug it into the wall?
Yes, I was charging it there.
Check behind the bedside table.
Wait, something is tangled there.
Is it your charger?
Yes, it was stuck behind the table.
Classic hiding spot for cables.
I always lose things like this.
At least we found it quickly together.
Yes, teamwork makes it easier.
Using phone ringer to locate it.
Hey, is something wrong today?
Yes, I lost my phone again.
When did you last have it?
I used it in the kitchen earlier.
Okay, is your ringer on?
I'm not sure, honestly.
Check your sound settings quickly now.
I think it might be silent.
Then we should call it now.
Yes, please call it from yours.
Okay, I will dial it.
I will listen very carefully.
Stay close and listen around.
I'm standing near sofa.
Good. Keep quiet for a moment now.
I hear nothing yet, waiting still.
I am calling it again.
Wait, I think I hear something.
Listen near couch and cushions carefully.
Yes, sound is getting louder now.
Move slowly toward the sound, please.
I am walking toward bedroom now.
Check under pillows and blankets there.
It is ringing very strongly here.
Can you see it anywhere?
Oh wow, it is under pillow.
Great, you found it finally now.
I cannot believe it was here.
At least we used ringer well.
Yes, I should check sound first.
That saves time in future too.
Good job staying calm today.